Hello friends, Sam here. Today what we are going to talk about, we'll talk about delivery modes, persistent and non-persistent. So whenever in Mulesoft you deal with JMS and you implement JMS queue sender or JMS topic publisher. So maybe point to point or maybe publish subscribe. So you have to send a message to queue or topic. So that message, whether it will be non-persistent. So in case if server gets crashed or something goes wrong with the server, you will lose all non-persistent stored messages. That is non-persistent. If you want persistent messages, you need to make this mode as persistent. So even if there is server crash, you will not lose these messages, friends. So those are persistent messages, right? Now, where you can configure this persistent and non-persistent. Let me show you that. So whenever you implement JMS queue sender or JMS topic publisher, you use this publish processor. So if you go to this configuration of this publish processor, you can see here that by default it is empty. Empty means false. So this time it will send non-persistent messages on queue. In case if we want persistent messages, we have to make it as true. Then it will send persistent messages on the queue, right? And sometimes dynamically you want to decide whether the message should be persistent or non-persistent. In that case, you have to go for the expression. Let's say I'm using this expression to check that whether my message should be persistent or non-persistent. If this condition is true, my message will be persistent. If it is false, my message will be non-persistent. Okay, so I show you on queue admin console. So some of the messages, those are persistent. Those will be long lasting till you delete them or till they get consumed. Or non-persistent, in case if there is server crash, you make the server off and on, you will lose all these non-persistent messages. So when to use non-persistent? Whenever your messages are not critical. Okay, then you can go for non-persistent. You are okay to lose those messages. In case if your messages are critical, then you can go for persistent. Okay, so persistent means you cannot afford to lose the message. That's what. Now non-persistents are little faster in speed, and persistent, as they are getting restored from the permanent storage, they are slow in performance. But that will not be the big deal really, because nowadays our CPUs are fast. So really persistent also does not have very significant low in performance. So you can go ahead and choose whatever you want, non-persistent or persistent. So friend, this is short format video. Remember that. I have recorded long format video which is 20 plus more minutes, where step by step I am showing everything related to this video. So if you want to check that video, just below with this video somewhere I might provided that link for that YouTube video. In case if you don't find, just ping me on WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, anywhere, and I will give you that link. Okay, so in case if you want to check the practical video. So thanks for watching this video, friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.